Can you give the challenge anyone?
Yeah, I challenge my age fellows that they come to compete with me.
Well done, mashallah. May Allah bless you and protect you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you?
I am fine, Alhamdulillah. And what's about you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine also. What's your good name?
My name is Abdul Muhsin. And what's your good name?
My name is Abdul Sami. What's your father name?
My father name is Hafiz Anjem. And what's your father name?
My father name is Muhammad Yasin. What does your father do?
My father is a shopkeeper. And what about you?
My father works in Saudi Arabia country. Where are you from?
I am from Bakhar. And you?
I am from Gujranwala. How old are you?
I am 18 years old. And what about you?
I am 16 years old. What do you do, brother?
I am a student. And you?
I am also a student. What do you study?
I study in 9th class.
Where do you study?
I study in Jamiatul Ulum Al-Islamiyah.
Do you read 9th edition in your institute?
Yes, I read here 9th class.
For how many years have you been studying there?
I have been studying there for 3 years.
MashaAllah, can you tell me your aim that you will do for the entire Muslim Ummah?
I want to spread the Islam in all over the world, like Sahaba, inshallah.
MashaAllah, that's very good. May Allah bless you.
What did you do in the last year?
I studied English language first.
Can you speak the English language in the fluently and quickly?
Yes, I can speak and listen or understand fluently and without hesitation.
Can I ask some question in Urdu that you could change in the English?
Yeah, why not? You can ask.
मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ.
I go to school.
मैंने खाना खाया.
I ate the meal.
वो क्रिकेट खेलेंगे.
They will play cricket.
वो कॉलेज जा रहा है.
He is going to college.
क्या वो कंप्यूटर इस्तेमाल कर रहा था?
Was he using the computer?
तुम चांद देख रहे हो.
You are seeing to the moon.
मैं अपना काम खत्म कर चुका हूँ.
I have completed my work.
तुम खिड़की से अंदर आते हो.
You come into the room by that window.
आसमान पर सितारे हैं.
There are stars in the sky.
कुर्सी टूटी हुई है.
The chair is broken.
Mashallah, mashallah, well done. Can I ask some question that you change the voice of that?
Yeah, why not? You can ask any question from me.
I write the letter.
The letter is written by me.
I eat the mango.
The mango is eaten by me.
The television is broken by him.
He broke the television.
He drives the car.
The car is driven by him.
The apple is eaten by him.
He eats the apple.
He turns on the fan.
The fan is turned on by him.
Can you give the challenge anyone?
Yeah, I challenge my age fellows that they come to compete with me.
Well done, mashallah. May Allah bless you and protect you. I want to meet you again.
Why not, my brother? I also want to meet you again.
See you again.
Okay, thank you so much.